Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in on the iPhone and FaceTime is enabled. Once done, make sure your new phone number is active and can receive texts or calls because Apple will verify it. Next, open Settings, tap your name, then Phone to confirm the number listed. If it's missing, add the new number in your carrier account first. This step guarantees FaceTime can link the verified phone number to your Apple ID quickly and securely. Now go to Settings and open FaceTime. Toggle FaceTime off, wait a moment, then toggle it back on to force a refresh. If prompted, choose Use Apple ID for FaceTime and sign in with your Apple ID credentials. This reauthorizes addresses. Under You Can Be Reached, tap to add or select the new phone number and uncheck the old one. Once you save, FaceTime will attempt verification by sending a code to that new number. Keep the phone nearby to accept it. Complete the process by entering any verification codes sent to the new number. FaceTime will then show the updated contact points. If the number doesn't appear, restart your iPhone and sign out of Apple ID on other devices, then sign back and so changes propagate. If you still see the old number, check your carrier settings and the Apple ID phone list at Settings your name, phone numbers, email. A restart and re-sign-in usually resolves sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.